We're back again. This is part 2 of the other video, blueberry ice cream. So today is banana. I told you that I have plan of combining them. So let's watch and see. So this is my banana. It's actually frozen. Okay, so this is the pack that contains the frozen banana. So I got my blender, put it in, and of course I'll add little water to it to enable it to blend properly. So this is what a frozen banana looks like. If this is your first time of seeing a frozen banana, so we go ahead and blend it. We're gonna blend it very smooth because we need a very creamy ice cream. Come on, so that's the water I've added. Now let's go and blend it. So if you're still watching and you're enjoying me so far, please click on the follow button and share to your friends. Now after blending the bananas, then you go ahead and pour it out in a plate just like this. Wow, see how creamy this banana looks like, so tempting. Come on. Next is to show you how to make the ice cream. This is the first time, so that you see the process of making the ice cream. So you get your whipping cream, so that's the whipping cream, and we pour in the required cups of the whipping cream. So in this process, we're gonna be putting 3 cups of whipping cream. This is one, and the next one, and the final one. So 3 cups of whipping cream. We put it in a clean bowl. So we'll go to the next step. We get our hand mixer, electric hand mixer, and then we're gonna mix. So we're whipping it until it forms a very thick consistency. So this is the process. And if you're still here, are you enjoying our videos? Come on. So follow, subscribe, and share to your friends, so you can see that the crew is now looking very creamy and thick. Very soon to be so thick, and then you can bring it out. Just look at that. Wow. Oh, our ice cream is in process. So this is what it looks like. As soon as you get this, then it's ready. The next item we'll add is the condensed milk. So we'll add just 1 can of condensed milk. We open it, of course, and pour it in the whipped cream. And after that, you're gonna mix again with the electric mixer and mix it thoroughly until like maybe 5 minutes mix, so that it will mix properly. The next step is to pour our banana, you know, the blended banana, to pour it in the mixture. Our banana ice cream is almost ready. So mix it thoroughly. You can use your spoon to mix it, or you can also use your electric blender to mix it, just, you know, however you feel more comfortable, or for you to get the right mixture. So go ahead and do that. So when we are done, we'll get our small plate. So the bowl is very heavy, so that's why I did this, but it's in a small plate. And then I got the container for the ice cream. Come on, just watch what I'm doing. I have not done this before. This is my first time, remember, so I'm trying to like separate the 2 ice cream. I saw this happening somewhere in the video and I want to practice it, so please pardon me if it doesn't work well here in this video. So the idea is to pour 2 types of ice cream in 1 container. So remember, I said the first video was blueberry that I made. So today I'm gonna combine the banana and the blueberry in this container. So I'm trying to create 2 compartments. So I pour banana in one, then I'll pour the blueberry in one. So that's what I'm doing. So right now I'm pouring the banana. Come on, let's see. And then the blueberries. So this how I achieved it with parchment paper dividing the 2 sides. Okay, so that's what I did. Let me know how your own worked out in the comment section. This is my first time, so tell me about your experience. So this is what I did. Next is to cover it, and then you're gonna freeze it. People suggest 2 hours, or 3 hours, 4 hours. Now it's frozen. This is what it looks like. Wow, our ice cream is ready. You can see. Wow, amazing. So notice that it looks so frozen, so you can actually keep it in a room temperature for it to melt a little, so you can scoop it easily. Okay, so that's how we made our ice cream. So now I got a cup and I scooped it in very ready to give myself a treat. So the next video, I'm going to show you how to make the vanilla ice cream. So this is blueberry with banana. So the next video, I'll show how to make vanilla ice cream and also strawberry ice cream. So stay tuned. See you. Thank you for watching. Like, follow, subscribe.